Hello, YouTube. It's time to play What's in the Box? Bag. What's in the bag? Yeah. Let's see. Ta-da! Let's see, it is the SKIL PWR-CORE12 12-volt mechanical light tool only. So very nice cardboard box. In case you haven't guessed it yet, I am at the age where you relish nice cardboard box. Yeah. Okay, anyway, let's open it up. Let's see, SKIL Owner's Manual. Owner's Manual. Guide de l'utilisation. Whatever, I don't know. Mechanical 12-volt mechanical light. Alright. So that is our 5-year registration. And stop. All right. Let's set that aside here. All right. So there's the SKIL. It's a utility light. Let's see, it's adjustable this way, adjustable that way. Let's see, has a hook there and hook there. Here's the switch. That's pretty nice. You know, there's no, I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. There's no, it's just kind of a tension, friction type movement. There's no clicks. It's kind of like a really tight joint. I don't know if that'll ever wear out or not. It might. But you probably aren't going to be moving it that much. So, all right, let's plug it in. I'll be using the SKIL PWR-CORE12 4-amp battery, and it is, well, it says 4 bars, but I've been using it, so it's not really fully charged. But let's see. Just plugged in. His power. Whoa! That's kind of bright. That'll work. All right, so let's see here. slightly dimmer. And off. That's nice, I like that. And it's not really designed to be held, but I guess you can hold it. Look at that, it's got magnetic pickups there. So I don't have anything metal to attach it to right now. Anyway, stick right there. Oh yeah, maybe I do. Hang on. Okie dokie. That's pretty strong. Alright. That's nice, I like that. It's supposed to be 600 lumens. I don't know if that is or not. But I picked this up from Walmart for $37 new. And if you go to the SKIL website, they refer you to Lowe's or Amazon, some other place, and it's $73. So apparently Walmart didn't get the memo and didn't raise the price yet. So that's where I got it, $37 at Walmart, shipped by Walmart. So that's that. That is the SKIL PWR-CORE12 12-volt Mechanics light. And of course, you could probably use it for a lot of other things. Nice. Okay, well, that's it for now. Remember, try to think ahead and stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.